Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, our today's topic is fill in the blank. It's part 2. Okay, in the previous class we have learned fill in the blank part 1. It's our lecture number 18 and our homework number is 11. Dear students, your homework number is 11. This is your CW and this is also your HW. That means first of all, to do the HW, you should mention the HW number 11 in the left top corner in your HW copy, and after that you should write down this one and then you should fill the blanks. Okay, now let's start our class. It's fill in the blanks. We should learn today only 12, 6 and 6, only 12 today. Okay, these blanks. Now the first blank is T blank ENT blank, then FO blank R. That means it should be 24. It should be 24. The students is TWENTY 20, then FOUR 4. So fill this blank with W. The first one with W is TWENT, then Y. Y with the second blank, it's Y. TWENTY 20, then 4 FOUR. That means this blank will fill up with the letter U. Then it makes the word it's 24. Okay, the next one is it should be 20 again, TWENTY 20. Then it's how we should fill up this one. Look, it will be 7, dear students. It's SEVEN 7. So first of all, fill up the first blank is TWEN, then TY 20, then 7. The first blank will be this S, then EV, then E, then N, 7. SEVEN 7. So the next word is 27. Okay, which is the third one? Look, it's again I think it's 20, TWENTY 20, and it's also very easy, NINE 9. That means this word should be 29. TWENTY 20, then 9, NINE 9. This means in this third blank, both the blank will be filled up with the letter E. Okay, now the fourth one, it's again this is it 20? Look, it's TH. That means it can't be 20. THIRTY 30, then TWO2. That means it will be 32. This word will be 32. It's THIRTY 30, then 2 TWO2. Okay, so the first blank of this fourth one, it should be fill up with the letter I, and the second blank will be with the letter O. Then it make 32. Okay, the next one will be, look, THI, then RTY 30, then it should be 5 FIVE 5. So fill up this one is THIR, then TY 30, then my dear students it will be 5 FIVE 5. So the first, second and third letter would be R, Y and V. It's 35. THIRTY 30, then FIVE 5. Okay, our next blank, it's how much it will be? It will be 36 SIX6. It should be 30 because IRT in the middle. It's THIRTY 30, then SIX6. So fill up these blanks. It's THIRTY 30, then 6. It's SIX 6. It's 36. Okay, that means this 6 is done. Now we will fill up the right side 6 blanks. Okay, now look at this blank. It's 30. It should be 30. THIRTY 30, and it should be what? EI blank HT. That means it will be 8. EIGHT 8. So fill up these blanks. It's THIRTY 30, T and Y will be together, THIRTY 30, then 8, EIG would be here, GHT 8. It will be 38. This word should be 38, dear students. Now the next one is, we start with F. That means it should be 40, right? It's FORTY 40, and it's very easy. It's ONE 41. It should be, it's FORTY 40, then ONE1. That means the first blank of this blank will be fill up with the letter T, and the second blank will be fill up with the letter E. So it make 41. The 41 spelling is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, then O-N-E-1, 41. Okay. The next blank is again start with F, that means it will be again 40. Okay, it's F-O-R-T-Y, 40. So fill up this one, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Then it's start with T, that means it can be 3, it can be 10, but it will be 3, right? T-H-R-E-E, 3. So we should write down H in the second blank, T-H-R-E-E, then third blank with E. Okay, so this word will be 43, F-O-R-T-Y, 43, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 43. Okay, come to the next one. It's again start with F, that means it should be 40 again. It's F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Then this letter is E-I-G-H-T. Again, the students is E-I-G-H-T. That means the second blank will be filled up with the letter I, and the third blank will be filled up with the letter H. Then it makes 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay, it makes 48. Now come to the next one. It's again start with F, that means it can be 40 or 50. It's F-O-R, then T-Y, 40. Make it 40, T-Y, write down T-Y. Okay, in the first and second blank is T and Y. To make this 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, and this letter will be S-I-X, this letter will be X. To fill up this one, this make a word 6. It should be 46. The blank will be 46. The word will be 46. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, S-I-X, 6. That means this blank will fill up with the letter X. Okay. Now the last one, my dear student, it is started with F, but it's not can be 40. It can't be 40 because it's F then I. So we'll go to the next step is F-I-F-T-Y, 50. That means it can be 50, dear students. It's F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay. So I think you have understood how to fill up the blanks, my dear students. You have a homework. Your homework number is 11. In the start of this class, I have discussed this. You should write down the homework number 11 in the left up corner, and this is also your homework. That means first of all you should write down the CW at first, and you will only fill up the blanks, dear students. See you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.